You know that moment when you see the one, that dream home with the open kitchen, the sunny backyard, and the perfect layout. You are already imagining yourself living there. The kids are running in the yard. You are sipping coffee by the window, and then suddenly it hits you. Wait, do I need to sell my house before I can put offer on this one? Or maybe you are on the other side. You are thinking about selling but terrified you will sell too fast and have nowhere to go. This question comes up more than you think, and honestly, the answer is not black and white. So let's talk about it. I will walk you through both options, real stories from family I have worked with, and how to figure out what fits your life, not just the market. Hey there, I'm Salma Khan, a realtor here in Redmond, Washington, and I work with home seller and buyer every single day who are navigating this exact question. It's a big decision. It's about timing, money, risk, but it's also about peace of mind. My goal today is to give you a clarity, not just as a realtor, but as someone who truly understands the strengths behind this move. We are going to walk you through it together. Let's be real. This is your home. You have lived in here. You love the home. You have made memories in this space. So the idea of selling it without knowing where you would go next, it's emotional. But then the idea of buying first, that's nerve-wracking too. Because what if your current home doesn't sell quickly? What if you are stuck paying for two homes? This is why the question isn't just about real estate. It's about comfort, what you can carry financially, what kind of risk are you okay with, how quickly your home is moving. This choice gets easier when we stop trying to make a perfect move and start thinking about what works best for you. Let's start with selling first. Here's what makes it smart. Once you sell, you know exactly how much cash you have got for your next place. No guessing, no hoping. And it also means you are not juggling two mortgages payment at the same time. Now, what's the downside? It can feel rushed. Some sellers worry they will sell their home and not find something else they love in time. But there's a way to ease that stress. I helped a couple here in Redmond with their home sale, and we negotiated a 30-day rent back. What does that mean? That means they stayed in their home after closing while we hunted for the perfect next one. We found it. No overlap, no panic, just smart planning. The key, the rent back buffer, it gives you time, space, breathing room. Now let's flip it. Buying first. Some of my clients just can't imagine not knowing where they are going next. And I get it. Having your next home locked in before you sell your current home, it can be a huge relief. You can move out, stage your home, keep it spotless for showing, make the whole process easier. But here's the catch, not everyone qualifies to carry two homes at once, and even if you do, it can be financially stressful. One family I work with bought first, but we find a solid plan. We listed their home just 2 days after they moved out. It sold in 5 days. They had used a bridge loan to float the timing, and it worked perfectly well for their home. So yes, buying first is possible, but we have to look at your financing option and have a strong backup plan in case your current home takes longer to sell. Can you do both at once? Absolutely, but it takes time, coordination, and the right team. Sometimes we list your home and simultaneously hunt for your next one. Other times you find your dream home first and we submit a contingent offer, meaning you agree to buy the home only if your current home sells. That can work in a balanced market, but in a competitive market, contingent offers are harder to win. So we strategize. Doing both at once works best when there's trust, clear communication, and a flexible mindset. Here's how I help clients decide. We look at your financing. Can you afford to buy first, or would that be too stressful? We look at your current market. Are homes like yours selling fast, or is it taking a while? We look at the market you are buying into. Is there plenty of inventory, or are we competing with 10 other offers? We also talk about lifestyle. Are you okay with moving twice, living in temporary housing for a bit, or does that sound like too much work for you? When we lay it all out like that, your numbers, your lifestyle, your timing, things start to click and you don't need to guess, you just need to plan. So, should you sell first or buy first? It depends. There's no single right answer, but there is a right move for you. And my job is to help you figure that out. I'm not here just to push one way or the other. I'm here to guide you based on your goals, your comfort zone, and your life. If you are thinking about making a move and this question is keeping you up at night, reach out. Let's talk it through. I will give you honest, clear advice. No pressure, just an option. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone you know who's facing this decision too. I'm Salma Khan. I'm always here when you are ready.